What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? This is Mike here with Trushine Cleaning, and I'm out here at a repeat customer's house, doing 4 rooms, 2 set of stairs, 2 hallways. Um, I've been here for probably about 45 minutes. Um, just got done doing a pre-vacuum. Carpets is in good condition. You do have some high traffic areas that I'm going to work on. I'm starting on the upstairs first, getting the 2 rooms out the way first. Then I'm going to do the steps and work my way down. So I came back to the van right now to get my Oric, because I'm going to use the Oric on the stairs. So one set of stairs is not bad. The other one does have some wear and tear on it. It should clean up pretty well. They usually do. This will be I believe my 3rd time coming out to this customer's house. I believe I've been back here probably about 5 months ago, I believe. But I had to look at my invoice and see. But they keeping the carpet up very well. I actually was able to vacuum the whole house on one canister. One canister. I didn't have to dump it. That was the first. I've done that in a long time. Usually 2 or 3 rooms, depending on how soiled the carpet is. I usually have to dump the canister at least once or twice, but I did every area in this house that I'm going to be doing. I vacuumed every area, and the vacuum canister did not fill up. So that's a good sign that they are taking care of their carpet, vacuuming thoroughly. So show you guys a little bit of the setup of what I'm doing. Alright, you guys, so here's the agitation process. I don't do this process on the whole carpet, mainly on the high traffic areas. So I remember this section when I cleaned it the last time. With it being in like a shaded area right there, it doesn't really get a lot of light, so it does make the carpet look pretty dirty. But if you look like this on this side where the light is, it looks just like that. But as you see, this side gets light. So on both of these sides of the bed, I usually agitate the carpet, but the whole floor does not need it. The whole floor is not bad. It's mainly the high traffic areas when you first come through the door and around the bed area. And what this does is break down the dirt. So once I come back and flush it with the extractor, the dirt lifts up very easy, and the carpet flushed out thoroughly. So like I say, the whole floor does not need the agitation, but as you can see, this high traffic area coming up off the steps. I'm not going to use it in that room because that room is not bad. I want to use it on the steps, as you can see on camera. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera, but steps does have a heavy traffic area, a lot of wear and tear. So, but you know, I can't do much about wear and tear, but cleaning wise, pretty sure it's going to come out great. But you know, wear and tear over time, coming up and down those steps, you know, I can't really do too much about that problem. So I'm gonna have to move my extension cord for a second. All right, you guys, I got my extension cord moved. So I'm gonna show you guys the steps process. Hope you guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got me a chest camera. First time really using it. So just wanna see how things go. Show you guys a more up close and personal video as I'm working. They really been taking good care of these steps, because the first time I came out, they were pretty soily. So this will be my third time. I believe within like a year. I know I came out about at least 5 months ago. But yeah, definitely taking care of these steps. Then with it being such a light color, then coming off of it's right at the front door. So if you guys been following me for a while, you guys know I do a lot of steps. Alright, you guys, so about to get ready to start extracting with the wine, so I'll show you guys a little bit of that process. Thanks for watching. I have a larger stair tool that looks similar to that, but it's broke, so I'm using my upholstery tool to clean the steps. But it still comes out great, other than My stair tool is usually probably about this wide, other than that, but can't really show you guys. The camera keep bouncing as I'm cleaning, so show you guys the finished results when I'm done. Alright, you guys, here goes the finished results of the steps.